In this video, we will evaluate the sum of k times k plus 1, from k equals 1 to n. We start with the expression, the sum from k equals 1 to n, of k times k plus 1. Expanding the product inside the sum, we get k squared plus k. We can now split this sum into two separate summations, one for k squared and one for k. We now use well-known formulas. The sum of k squared from 1 to n is n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6. And the sum of k is n times n plus 1 over 2. Both terms have n times n plus 1 over 6. So we factor it out. Inside the parentheses, we get 2n plus 1 plus 3. Simplifying inside the parentheses gives us 2n plus 4. We can factor 2 from 2n plus 4. And simplify further. This gives us n times n plus 1 times n plus 2 over 3. And that's our final answer. Whenever you see a sum involving a product like k plus 1, try expanding it first then. Apply known summation formulas to simplify step by step.